Hi everybody, welcome back to Popping Pumpkins. In today's video, we will be making vegetable dosa, which is both a healthy and an easy dish to make. So let's start cooking, shall we? So first we'll begin by making the batter, for which we will be needing some soaked urad dal, rice and fenugreek seeds. After the ingredients have soaked for about 5 to 6 hours, we will take them into a blender and blend it into a fine paste. To the batter, we will be adding some salt to taste and let it ferment overnight. Once fermented, the batter becomes aerated like this, and this ensures that the dosa becomes soft and spongy. For the topping of the dosa, we will be using some finely chopped carrot, onion, capsicum and green chillies. To save time, you can also grate these vegetables. Now to make the dosa, we will spread the dosa batter onto a hot pan, and on top of this we will add the chopped vegetables and some oil, and then we'll close the lid for about a minute or two to allow cooking. After about a minute, you will see that the dosa is nicely cooked, which is indicated by a goldenish brown underside. And now it is ready to be served. So I'm serving this dosa with some spicy and tangy mango chutney. You can alternatively serve it with maybe coconut or tomato chutney or any other chutney of your choice. I hope you enjoy it.